Hi, I'm John Gleason, and this is the UDOT Construction Update. In Salt Lake County, new lane closures are scheduled each night on northbound I-15. The northbound express lane will be closed between 123rd South and 5300 South each night for the next 2 months. Our crews are installing new overhead sign foundations in the freeway median, so make sure to stay alert at night and expect minor delays. Keep in mind that up to 4 lanes are closed each night on southbound I-15 as well. All of these lane closures are part of a project to add a new southbound lane to I-15. In Lehigh, work continues on the Utah County section of the Mountain View Corridor. At the intersection of 2100 North and Redwood Road, westbound 2100 North has been reduced to 2 lanes. Now this can get backed up during the morning and evening commute, so make sure to give yourself a few extra minutes. This project is extending Mountain View Corridor from the Redwood Road 2100 North intersection to SR 73 in Saratoga Springs. And this new section of road should be open in 2019. In Summit County, crews continue to add a new climbing lane for trucks in Parley's Canyon. Overnight lane closures on westbound I-80 will continue for the next few weeks between Jeremy Ranch and Parley Summit. So please, be alert when you're driving through the work zone, and you'll want to allow yourself a few extra minutes to get up and down the canyon if you're driving at night. To avoid construction delays, do what makes the most sense for you. Rethink your trip, consider using an alternate route, carpool, or take transit. For more information on these and all other UDOT construction projects, please visit our website at udottraffic.utah.gov, or you can download our free UDOT Traffic app.